Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechSpark. So today in this video I'll show you how to build this digital tachometer. In this I am using one LCD screen for displaying the RPM and one microcontroller IC, that is Atmega 328P, which operates on 16 MHz crystal frequency, and one IR sensor module. If you want to build this by your own, so watch my previous video, the link is given in the description, or just click this I button. So let's see the circuit diagram for this. Using this Arduino board, upload the code in this IC, that is Atmega IC. So connect it to the laptop or your PC. The code is given in the description. You can check the description, download it from there and open it in the Arduino IDE. So this is the code. Just go to tools and select proper boards and port. After that, just upload it. Now the code is uploaded. Unplug the Arduino and remove the IC from it. Be careful while removing the IC. Now here you can see that I removed this IC, and this is the hardware which I have made using the circuit diagram. Build it. Now place this IC in this IC base, just like this. Now take the LCD board. This is 16x2 LCD, means in this there is a 16 columns and 2 rows. That's why it is called as 16x2 LCD. So place it here. Like this. Now this is the IR sensor. If you want to build it, so watch my previous video, the link is given in the description. So just attach it to this board. Now our prototype is complete. Our hardware is completed, and after all this it will look like this. Now just power it on. Here I am using the Arduino for the power supply. Just connect these two pins to the plus 5 volt and the ground. Here you can see that on the LCD board the RPM displayed is now 0 RPM. So let's check. This is the DIY anti-gravity wheel which I have made in previous video. If you want to build it, so watch my previous video. The link is also given in the description. Check the description. So let's see this. Here you can see that the RPM is changes. Now let's turn it on. Now it again comes to 0. So thanks for watching. Like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel.